Hello and welcome to Mark Albertua today. Today we want to see how we can make a particular letter of the alphabet the subject of the formula. So we have a question here quickly. We're told to make G the subject of the formula. And what's the formula? We have K is equal to pi R, then square root of H square over G. So let's do that. So we are making G the subject of the formula. All right, look at it here. As it is now, K is actually the subject of the formula. So we are told to manipulate correctly and make G the subject of the formula. So let's go. The first thing to do, okay, let me have a line here so that we can do this in one page. All right. So here we have, change the color of my pen. So here can be written as K is equal to pi R. Okay, it's the same thing. What we do is just divide both sides by pi R. That would be a very good start. So divide both sides by pi R. We are on our way to making G the subject of the formula. So we're going to have at the left hand side, we have K all over pi R is equal to, so over here, we're going to say pi R divided by pi R and then multiply by the H square over G. All right, so this cancels this for us. And then this reduces to K all over pi R is equal to, we now have square root of H square over G. All right, let me write the square root properly. Square root sign properly so that it will cover it well. All right, so we have square root of H square over G. This is what we have. Remember, the plan is to make G the subject. So, we need to square both sides because of the square root that is on H square and that of G. So, we square both sides. All right, so next, we are going to square, to remove square root, we square both sides. All right, square both sides. All right, so if you do that, we are going to have K, we're going to have K all over pi R, all of this in square is equal to the square root of H square over G all square. Okay, so we're making progress. So this cancel this for you is gone, and then at the left hand side here you can have it as K square over pi square R square. That is the square we have paid K, you have K square, and the square we have paid pi, you have pi squared. The square we have paid R, you have R squared. Is equal to what? We now have H squared over G. All right, so now we need to manipulate to make G the subject. So you can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, it's going to help. Multiply this way and then this way. So if you multiply this way, you're going to have G K squared is equal to, if you multiply this other way, you have pi squared R squared and then H squared. All right, now just divide both sides by K squared and then you have your G. All right, so divide both sides by K squared, you have G K squared divided by K squared is equal to what? Pi squared R squared, you have H squared, divide the answer by what? By K squared. So K squared cancel K squared for us. And then we now have what? G is equal to, so G is equal to, now at the left hand side, you see that all of them have square in common. They have all of them raised to power 2. So we can have pi R H over K. We can put all of them like this so that they can all share the square they have in common. All right, so this is how we make a particular letter of the alphabet the subject of the formula. To make it the subject of the formula means manipulate correctly until that alphabet stands alone. And when the alphabet is standing alone, that alphabet is not meant to be seen in any other place apart from only that part where it is standing alone. All right, so this is it. Okay. Now, so next, I want to quickly give you something. So you have so have this. you are given this. We have T is equals to mu over K minus 5 mg. You are told to make K the subject of the formula. So we have option A, B, C, and D. So please do it. And then when you are done, remember to fix your answer in the comment section. Tell me if your answer is A or C or B or D. And then please do well to like, to share, to follow if you are yet to do that. And then please do well to tell somebody about Mount Albertua.